The B-2 Spirit bomber, also known as the stealth bomber, is a highly advanced and unique aircraft developed by Northrop Grumman, now Northrop Grumman Innovation Systems, for the United States Air Force. Its design and technology make it extremely difficult for other countries to replicate. Reasons why the B-2 bomber cannot be copied. First, advanced materials and manufacturing. The B-2's radar-absorbent material and low-observable design require specialized materials and manufacturing techniques that are just not easily replicable. Second, stealth technology. The B-2's stealth capabilities are based on a combination of design features, materials, and coatings that reduce its radar cross-section. Replicating this technology would require significant investments in research and development. And third, complex aerodynamics. The B-2's flying wing design and curved surfaces create complex aerodynamic interactions that are honestly quite challenging to model and replicate. Fourth, advanced avionics and electronics. The B-2's avionics and electronics systems are highly integrated and customized, making it difficult for other countries to develop similar systems. And fifth, a highly specialized workforce. The development and production of the B-2 required a highly skilled and specialized workforce, which is frankly difficult to replicate. Sixth, export restrictions. The United States has strict export controls in place to prevent the transfer of sensitive technologies, including those used in the B-2. And seventh, cost and resource intensive. Developing a bomber like the B-2 would require significant financial resources and a long-term commitment to research and development. So, when you put it all together, the advanced materials, the cutting-edge stealth technology, the complex aerodynamics, and the highly specialized systems, well, it becomes clear why the B-2 bomber is just incredibly tough to copy. And on top of that, with strict export restrictions, the massive costs involved, and the sheer amount of resources needed, it's even harder for other countries to come up with anything quite like it. Countries that have tried to copy the B-2 bomber. Well, China is one country that has attempted to replicate the B-2 bomber's design and stealth technology. The Chinese Xi'an H-20 stealth bomber, currently under development, bears a striking resemblance to the B-2 Spirit. With its flying wing design and stealth features, the H-20 is speculated to have a maximum takeoff weight of over 200 tons and a range of around 5,000 miles. Key similarities between the H-20 and B-2. Flying wing design. Both aircraft feature a flying wing design which provides a low radar cross-section and reduces drag. Stealth technology. The H-20 is expected to incorporate advanced stealth materials and design features, similar to those used in the B-2. Crew of 2. Like the B-2, the H-20 is designed to be operated by a crew of 2. While China's efforts to develop a stealth bomber like the B-2 are impressive, it's essential to note that replicating the B-2's advanced technology and design is an extremely challenging task.